Ooh, that's the best way out. Down the hard climbing route, up the even harder climbing route. The old rope that will potentially snap.
Greetings, fellow Earthlings. Jake here, and welcome to Dangerous Natureous. What you're seeing right now is kind of a sneak peek at an upcoming video I'm working on, but I thought this footage warranted its own video, as it is, by itself, a pretty incredible adventure. My girlfriend, our dog Callie, and myself set out to find a natural rock arch in the middle of the woods near my hometown in southern Ohio. The place we started from, there was no trail to the spot, so we got a little lost, but we found the most incredible places in doing so.
Old.
Scanning, climbable.
Go.
It might seem like I was being mean, but I actually just wanted her back away from the wall because the climb was difficult and I didn't want to fall on her.
Go. Oh, that's scary. Hey, what's up? Hello. Hello, Mr. Buzzard. What's up? Is this your nest, bud? I don't mean you no harm. I don't mean you no harm. Hello. It's a nice spot you got. It's a nice spot you got here, man. It's okay. That rope is so old. Spider. Hello. Sorry, bud. I better get out of here. I don't want to mess with his nest. Her nest, probably. I don't know how buzzards work. I'm sorry. Ooh, that's the best way out. Down the hard climbing route, up the even harder climbing route. The old rope that will potentially snap if I put my weight on it. Is there another way? Over here? No. Well. I don't trust that rope one bit. Ain't the best climbing shoes. I'm just gonna jump. Hurt my knees a little bit, but better than trusting the rope.
Like and subscribe for the full adventure coming up. As always, enjoy the great outdoors, leave it better than you found it, and thanks for adventuring with Dangerous Natureous.
Everywhere's a handhold.